If you avoid controversial topics, then someone else will control your reality. Here's the thing to understand about controversial topics. For these topics, these issues, these are areas where people care so much about them that they are literally willing to die to persuade people or to change a law or a policy. And if somebody is literally willing to die for something, they're probably also willing to do something less severe than dying. They might be willing to spend a few hours or even a few days to pick the right word, the most effective, most persuasive word to put in a sentence. And here's why that's important. What most people do when they're reading, they think that authors are just kind of picking whatever word because they don't get how important this topic might be to the author. But as you start to realize how important these topics are to the writers, you're going to start to realize, your brain is going to start to realize that every single word they pick is chosen for some reason. And you're going to start to ask yourself, why this word instead of another word? As you start to analyze these things naturally, as you naturally start to analyze these things more and more closely, more and more curiously, more and more precisely, you're going to really start to see these underlying hidden motives and agendas and manipulations. And that's going to give you a huge advantage for anything like the SAT, the ACT, PSAT, GRE, GMAT, any other LSAT, any other standardized test. But it's also going to make you a better thinker, less vulnerable to manipulation, and fully aware of what shapes your reality.